Brewing a perfect cup of tea. Brewing a perfect cup of tea is a serene and delightful activity. For this, you will need a tea bag or 1 teaspoon of loose tea leaves, 1 cup of water, a teapot or a mug, a strainer, if using loose tea, and optional additions like sugar, milk, or lemon. Start by boiling the water. The water should be fresh and cold, preferably filtered to avoid any off flavors. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, it's ready for the tea. If you are using a tea bag, place it in the mug or teapot. If you are using loose tea leaves, place them in a strainer and then place the strainer in the teapot or mug. Pour the hot water over the tea bag or the strainer, ensuring that the tea is submerged in the water. Allow the tea to steep for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your taste preference. The longer the tea steeps, the stronger it will be. After steeping, remove the tea bag or the strainer from the mug or teapot. Now, your perfect cup of tea is ready. You can add sugar, milk, or lemon according to your preference and enjoy the soothing flavors of a well-brewed cup of tea.